What's going on, everybody? It's your boy BMC, and today we're diving deep into the high-demand world of semi-truck cleaning. That's right, forget the Lambos and the Teslas for a second. We're talking about the big rigs that keep America moving. This is a business with serious profit potential, and the best part is, it's a lot simpler than you might think. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, from the initial investment to the day-to-day operations. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this bread. Alright, let's cut to the chase. How much can you actually make cleaning semi-trucks? This is a question that many aspiring entrepreneurs ask when considering entering this niche market. The answer, however, can vary widely depending on several factors, including the quality of your service, your location, and the range of services you offer. Well, on average, you can charge anywhere from $150 to $300 per truck for a full wash and detail. This price range is fairly standard in the industry, but it can go higher if you offer premium services, or if you're located in an area with a high demand for truck cleaning. Now, that might not sound like a lot at first, but think about it. If you're cleaning just 5 trucks a day, that's $750 to $1,500 in your pocket daily. Over the course of a month, this can add up to a substantial income, especially if you manage to secure regular clients who need their trucks cleaned on a consistent basis. And that's just the beginning. As your business grows, you can start to expand your services and take on more clients. You might even consider hiring additional staff to help you manage the increased workload. This can lead to even higher earnings and the potential to scale your business to new heights. You can offer additional services like engine cleaning, interior detailing, and specialized treatments that can set you apart from the competition. These services not only add value to your offerings but also allow you to charge higher prices, thereby boosting your overall earnings. And even tire dressing to boost your earnings even further. Tire dressing is a service that many truck owners appreciate because it enhances the appearance of their vehicles and can even extend the life of the tires. By offering a comprehensive range of services, you can attract a wider clientele and increase your revenue streams. Remember, location plays a huge role here. Being strategically located near busy trucking routes or major truck stops can significantly impact your business. These locations are frequented by truck drivers who need quick and efficient cleaning services, making them ideal spots for setting up your operation. If you're set up near a busy trucking route or a truck stop, you're going to have a constant stream of potential customers. This steady flow of traffic can ensure that you always have work and can maintain a consistent income. Plus, being in a high-traffic area can also help with marketing and visibility, attracting even more clients to your business. And the better you are, the more word-of-mouth referrals you'll get, which means even more money in the bank. Satisfied customers are likely to recommend your services to their peers, leading to a growing client base. Positive reviews and testimonials can also enhance your reputation and attract new business. So, yeah, this business can be seriously lucrative if you put in the work. With dedication, high-quality service, and strategic planning, you can build a successful truck cleaning business that generates significant income. The key is to stay committed, continuously improve your services, and always look for new opportunities to grow and expand. Now, before you go out there and start spraying down trucks, let's take a moment to discuss something crucial. We need to talk about the legal stuff. Just like any other business, you need the right permits and licenses to operate legally. This isn't just a formality, it's a necessity. This is not something you want to skip over, trust me. Operating without the proper documentation can lead to fines, legal issues, and even the shutdown of your business. First things first, you'll need to register your business with your state and local government. This step is essential because it makes your business a recognized entity. This is usually a pretty straightforward process, and you can find all the information you need on their websites. Most states have online portals that guide you through the registration process step by step. Next up, you'll need to apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This number is crucial for tax purposes and is required for opening a business bank account. This is basically like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it for tax purposes. The application process is simple and can be done online in just a few minutes. Depending on your location, you might also need specific permits for things like water discharge or chemical handling. These permits ensure that your business complies with environmental regulations. It's best to check with your local authorities to be 100% sure. They can provide you with a list of all the permits and licenses you need to operate legally in your area. I know this might seem like a hassle, but trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Getting everything sorted out from the beginning will give you peace of mind and allow you to focus on growing your business. Getting all your ducks in a row from the start will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Proper planning and organization are key to running a successful business. Consider consulting with a business advisor or legal expert to ensure you haven't missed any critical steps. They can offer valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of business regulations. Familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations that apply to your industry. Knowledge is power, and understanding the legal landscape will help you make informed decisions. Attend workshops and seminars on business regulations. These events can provide you with up-to-date information and connect you with other business owners who are going through the same process. Keep your business documents organized and easily accessible. A well-maintained filing system will make it easier to stay on top of your legal obligations and respond quickly to any issues that arise. Remember, getting your business legit is just the first step. Once you have all the necessary permits and licenses, you can focus on what you do best, running and growing your business. Celebrate your milestones and take pride in the fact that you're building something great. With a solid legal foundation, you can set ambitious goals and plan for the future with confidence. Your hard work and dedication will pay off, and your business will be well positioned for long-term success. Why you should get an attorney. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Lawyers are expensive. And yeah, they can be. But if you search around, you can get a good deal. Like anything else you purchase, it's smart to shop around. But trust me, when it comes to starting a business, having a good attorney on your side is worth every penny. Think of it as an investment in your peace of mind. A lawyer can help you with all sorts of things like drafting contracts, setting up your business structure, and making sure you're compliant with all the relevant laws and regulations. They can also help you navigate any legal issues that might come up down the line, like liability claims or contract disputes. Look, I'm not saying you need to go out and hire the most expensive lawyer in town, but finding a reputable attorney who specializes in small businesses is crucial. They can help you avoid costly mistakes and make sure your business is set up for success from day one. Business insurance, protecting your hard work. Now let's talk about insurance. It's one of those things that you might not think about until you really need it, but trust me, it's better to be prepared. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but it's super important, especially when you're running a business. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that you're covered if something goes wrong. First and foremost, you'll need general liability insurance. This is the foundation of your business protection plan. This covers you in case someone gets injured on your property, or if you accidentally damage their property. Think of it as a safety net for those unexpected mishaps that could otherwise cost you a fortune. Then there's property insurance, which protects your equipment and supplies in case of theft, fire, or other disasters. Your business assets are valuable, and losing them could be devastating. Since you're working with vehicles, you'll also need commercial auto insurance for your work vehicles, even if you're just driving to and from client locations. This ensures that any accidents or damages involving your business vehicles are covered. And don't forget about workers' compensation insurance if you plan on hiring employees. This is not just a legal requirement in many places, but also a crucial part of taking care of your team. This covers medical expenses and lost wages if an employee gets injured on the job. It's about ensuring that your employees are protected and can recover without financial stress. Look, I get it, insurance can seem like an added expense, but it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Think of it as an investment in the longevity and stability of your business. Having the right coverage can save you from financial ruin if something unexpected happens. It's about safeguarding your hard work and ensuring that your business can weather any storm. So, take the time to understand your insurance needs and get the right policies in place. Your future self will thank you. Like and subscribe, stay tuned by clicking the bell for more business gold. So, there you have it, a crash course on starting your own semi-truck cleaning business. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the potential earnings to the legal and insurance aspects. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn about this industry, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more business tips and strategies. I'm constantly putting out new content to help you achieve financial freedom and build the business of your dreams. And hey, if you have any questions about starting a semi-truck cleaning business, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one and I'm always down to help out my fellow entrepreneurs. Now drop a gear and start cleaning. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you start your semi-truck cleaning business. Remember, this is a booming industry with serious profit potential. With hard work, dedication, and the right knowledge, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. We'll be back soon with more business ideas and strategies to help you level up your finances. Until next time, stay hustling.